Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharetrading.school.com. Today, 23rd April 2019. Before I proceed, I'll just remind you about today's seminar, which is scheduled in Dadar. Today evening, we have scheduled this free seminar at LG Training Center behind Lazri Sari Showroom, just near Thane, near Dadar West. So hardly it is 2-3 minute walk from the station. So those who are interested in this seminar, you are most welcome. It's a free of cost. There is no venue charges. There is no entry fee. It is on a first come first basis. So thank you very much, friends. So I'll just take you through basis quickly. Yesterday we spoke about expected correction, and we have said that though this bar is closing reversal, it is not a perfect key reversal. In spite of that, we said that because of RSI, since there was a diversion with the RSI, we were expecting that market will correct, and that's what indeed we have seen. And expected support level also we have discussed that 11,580 to 11,570 will be support zone, and that's what actually happened. Market had just touched 11,583 and 11,594. So our expected target of Nifty achieved yesterday. Now what will happen today? So since we are at support level of 20 EMA, because you can see that 20 EMA is around 11,580, and we have just touched 11,583. So chances are there that market will test support here. In case if in case it penetrates, because of the since market may open around with some gap, or some gap down opening can happen. So probably that can take Nifty to 11,550, which is a support level of previous accumulation. So chances are there that if in case market may remain sideways, market may open with little gap. 11,550 is actually technical support area of a price accumulation. So अगर ये 20 का ईएमए के नीचे चलता है, यानी 11,580 के नीचे चलता है, तो 550 के पास ये सपोर्ट लेगा। यहाँ से ये बाउंस होने के चांसेस होंगे, और ये अगर यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ बाउंस होगा तो उसके लिए अगला रेजिस्टेंस जो है ये ट्रेंड लाइन होगी। सो हमारे लिए अभी फिलहाल 11,000 डिसाइसिव लेवल है, सपोर्ट एरिया है। ऊपर की तरफ 11,700 एंड के आसपास मार्केट रेजिस्टेंस टेस्ट कर सकता है। अभी इस एनालिसिस को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए मैं आर्ली चार्ट में अगर आपको निफ्टी को दिखा दूं, तो वी कैन सी दैट now, as far as hourly chart is concerned, this trend line, which you can see, this black dotted trend line, which will act as a support somewhere here around 11,554, that price which you can see in this green. There are multiple supports which I have plotted here, which are shown by green color. So there are supports with 10 and 20 point difference, and that means we are in a support zone. So probably Nifty, even if it can go south with the 10 and 20 point difference, it may accumulate and then bounce back. So this trend line will be a decisive line, this dotted line, and for that you can draw that line. If you are using any other chart, like you can use any your broker's chart. In that you can convert those charts into R, and in hourly chart you can see that the high which was created on 3rd April, you will have to take that high as a close, and then there is a second high which was created on 9th April at 3 o'clock. These two swing highs you will have to join with the trend line. You will see that to justify this whether it is a authentic trend line, you can see that once the trend reached, it was retested as a support. So that gives us a confidence that it is a genuine trend line, and uh, we are expecting this trend line to be retested as a support, and that is a reason we are expecting market to accumulate somewhere in this. And probably this red line which you can see, this is a one exponential moving average. We generally don't use 150 exponential moving average so often, but in case once the 100 EMA breaches, then that time we may use this to seek next support area, and to justify the price accumulation, we may use this 150 or sometime 200 EMA to justify that, or to anticipate that whether that support can be taken or tested. And that is the reason I have changed this. If you convert this even into 2 hourly chart, then you can understand that in 2 hourly chart, here somewhere you will see that there is a 100 EMA support. So if in case market penetrates below this, it will be very difficult for Nifty to cross 11,520 level. So even if 11,550 breaches out, then 11,530 and 520 are the strong support area, and from that it can bounce back to 11,630, which is the next resistance level. So we are expecting market to remain in 11,630 or 600. Rather, 11,600 and 630 will be a resistance zone, and 11,550 to 11,520 will be support zone. So ये दो सपोर्ट एरिया में हम फिलहाल एंड रेजिस्टेंस एरिया में रुकेंगे। 11,600 से 11,630 और नीचे की तरफ 11,550 से 11,520, ये आज के लिए सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस जोन रहेंगे और मार्केट इसमें फिलहाल कंसोलिडेट करेगा। सो ये हमारा जो आज का एनालिसिस है, इसका यूज हम हमारे ट्रेडिंग के लिए निफ्टी के लिए कर सकते हैं। सो विशिंग यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक फ्रेंड्स, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।